from 30 cents a share back at the beginning of 2020 to up over $3 per share today. Now, what am I talking about, and is it too late to get in on this hot stock? I'm talking about Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX. I've done a couple videos on this stock here about the recent acquisition and kind of what this company does. But in this video, we're going to take a look at the price and whether or not this move can be sustained. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together and we're going to grow together. And as always, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do that. Become a bro and let's grow together in 2021. Now, Ideanomics. If you're not too familiar with what they do, go ahead and take a look at some of the other videos on this channel, kind of about their day-to-day activity and what they've done and what they're trying to accomplish in the future. But recently, they acquired Wave. Now, Wave is a wireless charging technology for electric vehicles. They've positioned themselves to be able to completely electrify these fleets of both commercial and passenger vehicles so that electric vehicles can compete with the traditional vehicle and they're not limited in range. Now, what do I mean by this? So they're going to install these electric vehicle charging systems in roadways, in parking lots, all over the United States and all over the world so that electric vehicles essentially have no limit on how far they can go and how far away from your home you can go, and you won't have to worry about things like charging your vehicle. You know, we know right now that you can go anywhere you want in your gas-powered car because all you have to do is stop at a gas station, right? Gas stations are on every single corner. They're completely available any time of day, wherever you are, but it's not the same for electric charging stations, and you know, you're kind of limited on how far you can go if you're driving an electric vehicle. Well, Ideanomics and Wave are positioning themselves to eliminate that risk and eliminate that setback that is causing the infrastructure for electric vehicles to be less than it is for gas vehicles. So everybody thought that after this acquisition of Wave, the stock would pop and then it would fall back down. Well, guess what? It didn't do that. So Ideanomics, IDEX, was trading around $2 per share last week before the acquisition. They rose after the acquisition was announced, and they've continued to rise. I think they were up maybe 5% in trading on Friday. Now, could they experience a pullback in the week to come? Absolutely, they could. But with the way they're positioning themselves to take over this industry, I think this is still a very cheap stock. Yes, it's 10 times more expensive than it was at the beginning of 2020, but they're making moves in the industry and they still have so much room to grow. Now, since this stock didn't pull back, do I think this is an excellent opportunity to get in and continue to grow and continue to make money in IDEX? Absolutely. You know, maybe 6 months from now, we're going to be saying, wow, $3 a share. This stock's trading at $30 per share. The sky's the limit when it comes to electric vehicles and clean energy because that's the future and that's where we're headed. Okay, fossil fuels are on their way out. Clean energy is on its way in. And especially with the new administration here in the United States, we're going to see a lot of regulation that promotes the sale of electric vehicles in the clean energy sector. Okay, so we're going to see out with the old, in with the new, right? So if you're going to position your portfolio to go along with what's happening in the market right now, this could definitely be a huge play for you, and you need to take a look at it. Don't think that this stock is expensive right now. If you would have thought the same thing about Netflix when it was trading at $10 a share, I mean, look at how much money you missed out on, right? Now, with that being said, if you find this interesting, or if you have anybody that's interested in the stock market and interested in some of these cheaper stocks that could really help their portfolio out in 2021, make sure to share this video with them. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and until the next time, I hope that all of you have an awesome day.